From Sooner Standards, Computing in Everyday Life, Evaluate the Impact, a complete grades 9 to 10 Level 1 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard L1.IC.CU.01. Students learn to evaluate the ways computing impacts personal, ethical, social, economic, and cultural practices, and defend a specific judgment about whether an impact is more beneficial or more harmful, and for whom. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. A plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4. Dalton's is some no-prep instruction across 44 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.